Hello, valued customer. Thank you for choosing Prison City Garage. This video is your vehicle inspection, diagnosis, and recommendations. Let's roll.
Okay, Hyundai Tucson. We're fixing to try to duplicate this noise. We're on 405. Let me see what we got. There, I hear it right there. Alright, Hyundai Tucson. We just finished our test drive. I've got one of my best looking technicians on the job. I'm pretty sure that's it. That's the only thing I can figure. I did hear it at about 65, between 60 and 65. I could hear it. So I'm going to pin that back up and then go for another test drive. Yeah, that's what it sounds like. Okay, we're going to pin that up, go for another test drive. I think that's going to solve your problem. Okay, Hyundai Tucson. They're fixing to do the test drive. We reattached the air dam. Let's see if this thing still makes the noise. I believe that solved your problem. I will give you a call here shortly. All right, I appreciate the business. I'll talk to you soon.
Thank you, valued customer. We have completed your repairs and your vehicle is ready to roll. You are welcome to pick it up anytime. We appreciate your business. Thank you for choosing Prison City Garage. See you soon.